Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll tell you guys what is TikTok's profile lock and how to remove a locked account in TikTok. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this in our channel. So to get notified for future, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video. So basically what TikTok profile lock means is, let me go to my account over here by pressing on me, and at the top you can see private account with a lock symbol as well. So it means that my account is private. So basically TikTok profile lock means that your account is private. It's basically like Instagram private account where you can only view someone's photo if they approve your follow request. So it's basically this, like you can choose who can follow you and who can view your post. So to remove this, you can click on the three dot at the top right corner, then go to privacy, and on privacy the private account is on, so you can turn it off, confirm, and once it's off, like other viewers can view it, like your account turns into public and whoever wants to view your videos and whoever wants to follow you can follow you as well. So basically that's what a locked profile in TikTok is and how to remove it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and I'm signing out. Comment down below what type of video we should make next. Peace out and have a nice day. Peace.